Now the gods hate me. Some people lose their knife or their mug. No, not me. I managed to lose an entire dragon. Ow!
Turning back.
I hope I get some serious burns.
I'm hoping for some mauling, like on my shoulder or lower back.
Yeah, it's only fun if you get a scar out of it.
Yeah, no kidding, right? Pain. Love it.
Oh, great. Who let him in? Let's get started! The recruit who does best will win the honor of killing his first dragon in front of the entire village. Get in there!
So anyway, I'm moving into my parents' basement. You should come by sometime to work out. You look like you work out.
Spotlight! You're done!
So, I guess it's just you and me, huh?
Nope, just you.
One shot left!
Hiccup!
And that's 6. Go back to bed, you overgrown sausage! You'll get another chance, don't you worry. Remember, a dragon will always go for the kill.
So why didn't you? Dragon classifications. Strike class, fear class, mystery class. Thunder Drum. This reclusive dragon inhabits sea caves and dark tide pools. When startled, the thunder drum produces a concussive sound that can kill a man at close range. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Timberjack. This gigantic creature has razor-sharp wings that can slice through full-grown trees. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight. Scaldron. Sprays scalding water at its victim. Extremely dangerous. Changeling. Even newly hatched dragons can spray acid, kill on sight. Gronkle, Zippleback, the Skrill, Bone Napper, Whispering Death. Turns its victims, buries its victims, chokes its victims, turns its victims inside out. Extremely dangerous, kill on sight, kill on sight, kill on sight. Night Fury. Speed unknown. Size unknown. The unholy offspring of lightning and death itself. Never engage this dragon. Your only chance, hide and pray it does not find you. Ow! Oh, wow. I
did it.
Oh, I did it. This fixes everything. Yes! I have brought down this mighty beast. Oh. I'm gonna kill you, dragon. I'm gonna cut out your heart and take it to my father. I'm a Viking. I did this.